Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. I am Mars and of course I have my companion. Isla, where are you? Okay, so I have here my daughter Isla and I am Mars. So today we will be sharing to you kung ano yung possible nating gawin para i-transform yung isang part ng aming bahay. Okay, which is, kung nakikita nyo, ito, yung mirror. So mirror natin ito. And then, this one, our stairs. Meron pa tayong isang mirror sa taas, which we will be showing to you later on as we go on sa ating redecoration. So, yan. So, ito transform lang natin. Ano bang gagamitin natin dito? Simpleng-simple lang. So, ito yan. Maka-ready na siya. Binili ko to sa Shopee. Ang kanya talagang title is Tile Sticker. Nalagay siya sa pagitan ng, ng tiles. Yun. And, in the color, ang color na pinili ko is yung gold. Yan. This is gold. Gusto ko tong color na to kasi gusto ko na magkaroon ng gold accent ang aming bahay. So, in which or in what way na possible natin siyang gawin is through this one. In this gold tile sticker. So, ilalagay natin siya dito. Makikita nyo mamaya. And dito sa may stairs. So, saan ba natin ilalagay sa stairs? Doon lang naman sa may steps niya. So, gusto ko lang naman siyang gawin na something simple yet elegant. Titignan natin kung ano mangyayari. I can visualize it. Pero syempre, iba pa rin kapag sa actual. And I hope ma-achieve natin to. So, join us. Dito sa mirror part muna natin. So, parang lang siyang double-sided adhesive. Bago mo siya idikit doon sa object na gagamitan mo nito. Okay, sa tiles or whatsoever.
Baka maunto ka dyan, careful!
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple blossoms, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that.
So, everybody, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa second mirror. Dito lang to sa taas, mula doon sa may mirror dyan sa pagbaba na ating stairs. So, before pala natin lagyan ng sticker, pero kasi ginawa ko yun kanina before ko ikabit, hindi lang natin makita, no? Kailangan muna natin i-dust off yung frame mismo ng mirror para makapit yung sticker. Okay. And tip pala sa naglalagay ng ganitong sticker, ito, mas magandang gamitan nyo siya ng cutter sa pag-cut para mas maganda siya. Mas maganda yung niya. Kasi pag sa scissors, okay din naman. Yun nga lang kasi pag yung sa cutter, pag once dikit mo na siya, i-slice. I-cut mo na lang siyang ganun, tapos tamang-tama yung fit niya. Kasi dun sa scissors, kailangan mo munang tansyahin talaga na dapat perfect yung pagkakalagay sa mga edges niya kapag kinap natin. So, better yung cutter. Okay? Ituloy na natin yung pagdikit ng sticker. Let's go!
I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza.
And we're done. And if you find this video interesting and you are still here with me watching, thank you very much. And if you like to reconsider in restyling your areas, your spaces, furniture, and other stuff, why don't you give it a try and give it another character? Because I believe, katulad ng ginawa ko, nag-enjoy ako sa ginawa ko. Of course, yung mga nilagay nating tile stickers and the way I visualized it, it was really achieved. And I'm very happy with it. If you like more life hacks, DIYs, restyling, and revamping, kita-kita tayo ulit. Again, thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!